Welcome. Today I am going to walk you through the different ways that you can use your Kajabi site in your online business. I'm Tamsen Horton. I help you go from idea to income and really fall in love with Kajabi because it really and truly is the best tool you can have in running an online business. So, first off, we're going to start with the simplest way, and this is going to be for those of you that are going to keep an existing website or you're going to start a website off of Kajabi and you simply want to use Kajabi to hold the content. You want to maybe keep your WordPress.org site or your Shopify site, but you want to put your content, you want to run your courses or your membership. So Kajabi is really going to be for you a library. So let me draw out what that would look like for you. You're going to have your site, and it is not Kajabi for whatever reason. I personally think Kajabi is the best way. I wouldn't, for so many reasons, but you can always change this. So you're not Kajabi site. You'll have your menu bars, okay? And your menu bar will allow you to put in a URL, just like that. So all you need to do is in this URL, you're going to link to your Kajabi login page. All right? This is your library. You can click on inside Kajabi, click on the login page, and just link this URL. So it's basically /library, and then however you have customized your Kajabi site. So if I go to your NonKajabi website, and it will say something to the effect of access your course here or log in here. Then when I click it, it'll take me to the Kajabi login page, which you will set as your home page inside Kajabi. You have to go underneath settings, set it to the login page, and then when anyone goes there, they'll do exactly that. They'll log in. So that is one way that you can use your Kajabi website. NonKajabi, menu bar linking to the URL of the library. So you are running your site here, you are running your landing pages here, you are running your store somewhere here, not at all over in Kajabi. So that is way number one. Now we're going to erase this. We'll move on to the second way, which still involves your NonKajabi website. Now, one of the main reasons that you might want to have the NonKajabi website is because you've had it. It's up, it's running, you have a blog over there, you have your store over there, perfect. But you want to use some more features outside of just the library. So here on your menu bar, maybe you want to use Kajabi to sell. So you want to be able to access the store function. Maybe you're also going to use it to hold your content. So we're going to put the login key, which again takes us to the library page. So in your NonKajabi site, you're going to have links to the store in Kajabi. You're going to have links to the login in Kajabi. And anything else you want to build out in Kajabi, you just need the Kajabi URL, okay? So the two main ways that I've seen and done this for people is they want the store function in addition to the login function, and they want to be showing it somewhere outside of the Kajabi URL. So that's the other way that you simply link your site to your Kajabi website. You can use the store function, you can use the login function, you can use, landing pages, you could use pipelines, you can use the webinars. All of those are totally fine. You're just going to grab the URLs, and people are still, the front door though of your business, of what you're doing, is still coming from a non-Kajabi location. So that's the second way to use the site. Now, the third way is to use the Kajabi site itself. So you have your Kajabi site, and you're using it for the website. So we'll put website in here. Now, the nice thing with Kajabi, they have beautiful themes. So you could use a website and customize out the actual website pages and choose a theme for that. So I'm going to just write next to this, choose theme. For those of you in Team PPK, you want Theme Extreme in your library. That is where I have all of the tutorials to customize all the product themes, the website themes, and the landing page themes that are currently available in Kajabi. So you have your website, you can choose a theme. You then can have your about page. We'll put those over here. You can have your about pages. You could have your store. You can have your blog. You could have your contact me page. All of your website pages you can use with this website, choosing your website pages. You can set the website to be your home page, but you also have the flexibility on your site with Kajabi of doing landing pages. Now, the landing pages are great because they let you build anything. I personally call them a building page because I might build out a landing page where I'm gathering someone's email or personal information as an opt-in. I might build out a landing page and use it as a sales page. Might build out a page and use it as a thank you page. Might build out a page and use it as part of a client onboarding sequence. So you have lots of flexibility, including setting a landing page as your home page. The way that Kajabi, it's so incredible because it's like Legos, and it's not like a complicated Lego building set. It's just a really solid, easy to build, get what you want Lego set. And for the website or the landing pages, anything that you do, anything you display actually comes from navigation. All right, and navigation you find from your Kajabi dashboard. You click on website, you click on navigation, and then you click on link list. And this is where you add links. So you can have a customized menu bar and then decide where it's going to show up. So these link lists are really creating your user experience. This is where you're designing, I would like this person to have this information at their fingertips. And the nice thing is you can have the link go to a category, to a post, to a page, and to a URL. Most frequently, I use the URL because I'm creating an experience, whether it's on the site or a landing page or inside of the product. So those are the 3 ways to use your Kajabi site. 1, you have a non-Kajabi site and you're using Kajabi as your content management system. You're building the library. Second way, you have your non-Kajabi site, but you want to use more features besides just the library for servicing your prospects and your customers. So you might use your store, you might have your library, but you're taking the URL from your Kajabi site and you're adding it on what I call the front door, where people are coming to your site, they're clicking a call to action, and whether they know it or not, they're then arriving at your Kajabi site. The third way is you use your Kajabi site for everything. Okay, now the one piece I do want to mention here, if you have a really developed blog, please investigate before you shut down any of your non-Kajabi sites, because the blog URL in Kajabi currently is hard-coded, and so it will not forward without using a service called Cloudflare, and that can get kind of expensive. So the third way, and we'll call this a bonus, we'll call it 3A, is you can have your Kajabi site, but you keep your blog over on your non-Kajabi website that you currently have, because you just don't want to make a mess with your blog. I personally didn't have a blog that I was concerned about keeping, and so it was okay for me to move everything over into Kajabi. When you're using Kajabi to run everything, you have incredible flexibility. It is crazy, not just the flexibility, but how many pieces that you can put in a range in different orders with just clicking buttons. The nice thing is, it doesn't break. It just doesn't break, which I think is still, after 2 years, one of my favorite things, because I'm not wasting my time fixing. Regardless, however you want to map out your website, and if you have access to the PBK website design, because you're a member of Team PBK or you have training wheels, I've given all of how to map out your site design in the mind map. So map out on paper, on a whiteboard, on mind mapping software, map out what you want the experience to be. Then you have a map to allow you to build what you want, to clearly communicate to, if you've hired someone to help you with your Kajabi site. So you need a map. To just start building and clicking, it's hard. And it's really hard when you have to bring someone in because they don't know where you've gone or where you want to go. So this is how to use your Kajabi website. If you have any questions, please leave them below. I am glad to answer them. My hope is that you learn to enjoy Kajabi, that you fall in love with it. It is the vehicle to freedom, whatever you define as freedom. And have fun with this. I will see you again really soon. Bye-bye.